Hi everyone and welcome to this video about the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st.
Technology is all around us. It influences the way we live, learn, and connect with others.
The two most important thing of the digital age is the social media and the ICT.
It begins with education, multimedia, make learning more interactive and exciting.
Videos, animations, and apps make lessons easy to understand and more fun for students.
ICT also give us access to online learning so we can study anytime, anywhere.
Now, let's talk about communication. ICT has completely changed the way we see and touch.
Social media, video calls, and instant messaging connect us instantly with friends and family.
Did you know multimedia makes this conversation richer by adding photos, video, and sound?
In the world of business, ICT help companies work faster and smarter.
Online meeting, cloud storage, and digital advertisements allow business to reach people across the globe.
Of course, multimedia also give us entertainment, games, and activities, and sharing our activities.